Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Dumelang, my name is Naledi, Phahlo. I am from a township called Tabanchu. My business name is Deedee Hygiene Solutions, and we are operating in the Mangaung area. Our factory is based in Phahlo. And our business started in 2019 as a side hustle, and then 2020 we formalized the business. I started my business in 2019 where I was just selling fabric softener and washing powder. This was purely to subsidize or to supplement my income. Later on in 2020, when COVID-19 hit South Africa, I then left my corporate work to focus fully on the business because I saw there was a need for my essential services. The products and services that my business is offering is industrial and household detergents. Industrial products include drain cleaners, and household includes floor care, carpet, laundry, and car products as well. Why must you buy my products? One, it's because they are proudly South African made. Secondly, we are not just creating products for ourselves, but we are creating these products for our African people to ensure that whatever needs that they have is really, really customizable for their need. And thirdly is that we are creating this business to ensure that we build our community either through employment or social development. You can get our products through our website, which is www.deedehs.co.za. Deedee is written as DEEDEEHS.co.za. You can also find us on our social media Facebook account, which is Deedee Hygiene Solutions. And then you can also contact us on our WhatsApp on the number as 082-491-3973. Hi, my name is Naledi Phahlo, and I'm a proud township entrepreneur.